All right, here we are 24 hours later. You can see how black that stuff gets. I've already filtered it through the filter. And what we do here is, have your regular filters for coffee. Put one of these all in here. And before you pull out all the material and stuff, you run this through and it captures all your fine gold and everything, and you end up with something that looks like this. Now you really can't see the gold. Let's wet it back down. I've let this dry, so I don't know if that makes the gold stick out better, maybe. Not those big chunks, folks, but it's really hard to see in here. You might be able to tell right there some. It's just all that little sparkly in there that you see, that's all gold. So when you're pouring this, remember when this was all in here, what we did is we poured it over here on top of this. The big filter catches all the big stuff that we had in here. Remember that? See the difference? It just etched all that gold off there. Now, on some of these chips in here, like this one, there's still a little bit of residual gold plating on there. See that right there? So sometimes you'll have to run these through a second time, but it generally gets most of it the very first time through. Now, let's see, this one needs to run through a second time. So now that we got all of that, been doing this for a year. I got a huge, hang on, walk in here, there we go. And this is what I've ended up with. Peanut butter jar, half full of that dirt stuff. And you can't see it on the video, but there are gold specks just all over inside of here. Just there's that real thin gold. So the next process will be, once we've got this all thinned down like we've got it, we're going to take it, put it in a forge and melt it down, see what happens. Now remember that even though the chemicals that we use to etch the gold off are not making that smell anymore because there's nothing in there, they're still dangerous. They'll burn your skin. Use rubber gloves. Throw that stuff down the toilet and flush it immediately. Do not put it in a metal sink. Anyways, I hope you're enjoying the videos. Thank you.